how it is to stroll around across Bali streets. Let's find out today. In and out, there's the groups, people from all around the world. They are just walking, enjoying, strolling. So here we go. You can enjoy a little bit what's going on. Traffic situation on the footpath, traffic situation on the street. Kinda busy, I could say. Oh yeah, kinda busy. So that's the one of the random Bali streets in Ubud, if you didn't realize yet. And this is the entrance to the Pura Sarasvati. But I'm not going today. And there is legendary Starbucks here. Also, what is next? Chura Temple. It's currently 5:10 local time. It was raining. It's rainy season, unfortunately, already began. In Bali, especially in Ubud, it's gonna be raining most likely every day. Not too much, but every day. And that's the overall situation. There's like a Priyanka Ubud art market. You can get inside, and if you want to walk very far, preferably drive a motorbike, you can get to the beautiful rice fields. But that's like a secret, not too many people know about that. I made a few videos there driving my scooter, especially during pandemic. So if you watch it, you should know. If you not, you can find this out and enjoy. Meanwhile, I'm gonna stroll today around this main street in Ubud. There is the main corner where is the Ubud art market, and most of the things, Ubud King Palace. This is like, if you come to Ubud, most likely you will stroll on this street earlier or later, and this is what most people doing actually. There's quite a lot of tourists even after the rain. Overall, it's the low season and the rainy season at the same time. But I found out Ubud is one of the most enjoyable places to stroll around. Maybe because you can find the temples on every corner like this one, or maybe because it's like, I don't know, tourist vibe here. Ubud was always specific, but taking consideration as back into 80s, there was just small village what only few of people ever visited when the main hub was Sanu and Kuta and Barelli, little bit of Legion. But that was the past. Now is the one of the most, or maybe the most popular place in Bali so far, especially for the tourists. And also there is the police action. If you don't wear a helmet, most likely 100% they will stop you and you will have a trouble. So better if you drive a scooter in Bali, you wear a helmet and have your driving license. At least wearing a helmet will save you from the big troubles. But if you once gonna get stopped because you have no helmet, 100% officers will ask you for the this guy blocking the way, this guy is driving fast. The police officer will ask you for the as well for the driving license, and then you will have a, whoa, I get scared, double problem. So better you have everything what you need: driving license, international for the motorbike, and the helmet. But helmets please wear, especially while driving around. Even if you don't care, you have a lot of money to pay for the fines, and you don't care about the consequences. That's at least for your safety, because the hospitals in Bali are not so good. So you don't want to die on this junction in Ubud perhaps. And trust me, it may happen as well. Police officers also help you to cross the street, which is a good thing. And this police officer is very good because he stopped the local boy who have a very loud NMAX like this one. And maybe he gonna pay the fine because this is too loud. Yes, local boy was stopped and the motorbike is escorted by the police officer because it's too loud. This is great job, Pak Police in Bali. I love it. Finally, somebody is taking care of the mess in Bali. Wow, wow. Either way, this is the brand new art market in Ubud. If you somehow didn't realize, it's the brand new and the overall messing situation in the junction, but it's not that bad. It's not that super crowded. Gonna cross the street together with just two ladies, and I'm gonna show you perhaps a little bit of the art market in Ubud, the new one in the building, but also the street behind the building is also existing. Probably gonna show you a little bit of both of it. So yeah. Overall, if you get inside, it's like, you know, huge shopping complex. Basically everything the same. You have a market under the fans and the roof. But Some people saying this is a little bit too modern and lose the vibe of the market, what is on the street, which somehow is true. Some people like it, some people don't like it. Either way, either here or either outside, you're gonna buy literally the same, exactly the same stuff, together with the bottle openers, if you know what I'm talking about, or the yeah, other interesting goods. So overall like this, some ladies are here shopping, overall never-ending market. Back to the street, we're gonna get out. Actually, it's very hard to breathe there, even the fans are there. All the shops here are open. Luwak Bali coffee, some new coffee shops and stuff. It's a little bit cloudy. Hopefully it's gonna be rain because I left my umbrella in the bike. And I'm going by bike home later on. I don't wanna get wet. What is here? Food court is setting up, selling kebab. Kebab. It's gonna be food court maybe in the future. However, I don't see really kebab here, but they maybe gonna make it. Either way, if you don't wanna shop in the building what is over there, you can of course shop on the streets over there. And this is what basically you can find here. Like I said, same stuff what you can find inside. With the difference as this is like old traditional market. In Ubud it was like this one, when you walk on the one small alley and there are so many shops on every single corner. Yeah, basically something like this. I just find out there's some trend of counterfeit items here, what wasn't that popular like long time ago, but now is it for some reason. And overall the stuff you can find regular, you know, rotten bags, bracelets, intense sticks, bottle openers, more paintings in every corner, and also some people actually strolling around, which is cool. And inside there are also some guest houses, which is some people made remember, especially the times when Ubud was just the village and there was not too many hotels like now. So there was the only one option to stay here in the guest house. But now, well, plenty of hotels, so plenty of options. I'm gonna back to the main street. Actually, if here gonna be a food court, market, something like Jod's Fair in Bangkok, when I just been recently, or something like that, even miniature version, but where will be the stars with some nice street food. It could be nice. Actually, I like the concept. Hopefully, they're gonna make it. That was the overall situation. And then you have a street. When I'm coming back, there's some restaurants, a lot of people actually enjoying their gelato. And there is some building under the renovation, totally destroyed. I don't remember what restaurant was here, but it's totally gone. I think that was the shop complex. Maybe they're gonna make something nice. Maybe they're gonna leave it apart like this one. I hope they're gonna make something nice here, because this is very premium location. Of course, you can find some more restaurants. During the pandemic, everything here, like literally 9 out of 10 businesses were totally closed, shut down. But now it's a little bit better. Also here is Simply Social, not Simply Social, yeah, Simply Social, very nice restaurant in general for the lunch, dinner, breakfast, cake, coffee, and overall very nice place. I remember when it was hard to park here, when I was driving a car, even during the pandemic. Now the parking here is not allowed, and literally is not allowed because, as you saw previously, police officers are patrolling, and that's good change. And after that you have, you know, a lot of shops everywhere around. And if you drive, if you go that direction, there will be rice fields, and also on the other direction you can go and there will be Jalan Gautama, which Jalan Gautama is here where a lot of tourists are coming. There's little alley where people shouldn't drive, but they still driving. Jalan Gautama. When you enter inside, there's nice statues like this one, a lot of flowers. And then will be, of course, a lot of restaurants. Not too many stars, but most likely restaurants where you can actually enjoy a little bit more peacefully lunch or dinner, perhaps. Some nice boutiques like this one or this one. And somebody opened kebab, suka kebab. Like this one, they have a little genre. Yes.
I'm one of your followers.
Okay, cool. How are you? So overall, I met some viewers. Thanks for saying hi. And after that, it took me like 10 minutes video to show you most of the interesting places to stroll around the Ubud. But if you first time coming here, you can spend easily half day and you will most likely enjoy. Like this guy who say as he's here thanks to me, thanks to my videos. I really like it. I feel much more motivated right now. I will see you tomorrow on next video. See ya.